Welcome back, traders. Glad to see you again. Next, we'll examine how the EA performed in past market conditions through backtesting. This backtest is conducted on GBP/USD using the M1 timeframe. As you can see, the equity curve is gradually rising, reflecting the EA's trade management over this period. The EA is now running through historical market data to verify its performance. Each trade is executed based on real market conditions and tested strategy logic. Risk management and entry precision are being analyzed during the backtest. This process helps evaluate stability, accuracy, and overall trading performance. In this backtest, the EA delivered impressive performance with a total net profit of $1,097. The maximum drawdown stayed controlled at just 25%, showing strong risk management and stable performance. With a solid 65% win rate, the strategy maintained high accuracy across trades. If you want to test this EA yourself, the free download link is available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.